In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna on Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To use Klarna inside of Amazon properly, what you have to do is download and install the latest version of the Klarna app on your phone. This will only work if you do this process through the app. When you open up the app, you should immediately recognize Amazon at the home screen listed under all the stores, but if you don't see it, simply use the search function to look for Amazon. When you select Amazon, you will be immediately redirected to the Amazon website, and you should have this Pay with K button at the bottom of your screen. If you do not see this button, try opening up the app again and selecting Amazon once again. You need to see these two buttons underneath the Amazon website to be properly eligible to use Klarna on Amazon. Afterwards, you can add anything you wish to your shopping cart and make your purchases as usual. Once you are satisfied, click Pay with K and you will be prompted to include the amount, and the app is going to ask how you want to pay for the products in your shopping cart. As long as you do this through the app, you will be able to use Klarna and Pay with K will be available. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.